So hair dye lawsuits are really about these hair dye companies, manufacturers of hair dye products that were using chemicals in their hair dyes. These chemicals are found to be causative of cancers and specific types of cancers. And what these lawsuits are about are that individuals who have been diagnosed with cancers and use these products on a regular basis have developed cancers that can be linked to the hair dye products. We filed lawsuits relating to hair dye because individuals have come to us with cancers, specific types of cancers, triple negative breast cancer, thyroid cancer, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma. These specific cancers have been linked to the chemicals that were used in hair dye products for decades. There are individuals that use these products every other week, a couple times a year, a couple times a month. The individuals that were regularly using these hair dye products were exposed to the chemicals within them. They would apply hair dye on a regular basis, and those chemicals would seep into their skin, through their skin, into their bloodstreams, causing different types of cancers. These individuals that have these diseases have come to us asking about this. What we have found through our research is that a lot of the chemicals that were in these hair dyes were linked to these specific cancers. There are medical studies out there. There's peer-reviewed literature, epidemiological studies out there that are linking these specific chemicals in the hair dyes to cancers. The companies that manufactured these products, they knew that these chemicals were linked to specific cancers. They never warned about those hazards that were involved with the chemicals in their products. So we have filed lawsuits on behalf of victims of these cancers that used the products on a regular basis. We've filed lawsuits on behalf of hairdressers that were working with these products on a daily basis. These individuals have developed cancers, specifically triple negative breast cancer in African American women, also non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, and thyroid cancer. These specific cancers have a strong link to the chemicals that were used in hair dye products for decades. We have clients that have used it every other week. We have clients that have used it once every other month. We also have clients who have worked in the beauty industry that are working with it daily. If you're a hairdresser, you're going to be working with it constantly. But individuals who were just using it for their own hair, they used it every other week, they would use it every other month. And those type of exposures have been linked to causing cancer. The people who are filing lawsuits or reaching out to us about these lawsuits did not know that the hair dye products that they were working with or using for decades had these cancer-causing chemicals in them. It is just now becoming known to the public that the link between these chemicals and the cancers that they have was there. The companies that manufacture the products knew about this link well before this has come out to the public. Individuals who have been diagnosed with triple negative breast cancer, individuals who have non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, individuals that have thyroid cancer, those individuals are now realizing, hey, the hair dye products I used for decades may have caused my disease. The statute of limitations, or the time period that you are allowed to file a lawsuit once you know about the disease and the link between the product and your disease, varies state by state. Some states it's as little as 1 year. Some states it's 2 or 3 years. Once you have this disease and you think maybe there is a link between your disease and the hair dye products that you worked with or used over decades, you need to reach out to an attorney. You need to find out what your legal options are, and you need to act quickly. Our firm is actively litigating these cases. We have filed them in courts and are in the discovery process of these cases. We have other cases that we are about to file in other courts around the country, and the cases are actively being litigated. The Nemeroff Law Firm is representing individuals throughout the country, individuals who have been diagnosed with these specific diseases, non-Hodgkin's lymphoma, thyroid cancer, and in African American women, triple negative breast cancer. We have filed lawsuits on behalf of these individuals and litigating these cases. The products that were used that had these cancer-causing chemicals were sold throughout the country. There were specific populations that were targeted in marketing by these companies throughout the country. And we are actively pursuing these cases for these individuals in jurisdictions all over.